Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can add money in Coinzoom. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open your Coinzoom app, and once you open your Coinzoom app, all you need to do is simply type in your credentials of your account and hit the login button. So once you're logged in into your account, tap on the wallet option, and from there all you need to do is simply tap on the deposit option. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply choose a way to fund your account. So once you have chosen a method or the linked account, you can then simply add money through it on your Coinzoom account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Till then, thank you for watching.